Now some people are under the assumption that only Lamborghinis came with doors that lifted up, but we got that right here. How cool is that? Hey guys, Rob from Smooth As Detailing here. Today we've got a 300ZX, probably haven't seen one in a while. This is from Concept Garage, so Danny's brought this down to us. So he's finished pretty much what he's had to do. Just a couple of ride heights he's got to adjust in that. But so it's here for a paint protection, so ceramic coating and a paint correction. So we've inspected the paint, we've done a few test patches here and there because you've got your metals and your fiberglasses. So I think a single stage is going to help us out on this one, get it nice and smooth. Wheels are staying as they are, so we've done all the top half of the car bar the bonnet. Philip, the main man, he's behind the camera, so you can't see him obviously, but he's gone over all the windows for us because we've got contamination marks on the windscreen. This could be because of imports or just hasn't rained for a long time and whatnot. When you get a bit of rain come down, it brings all the acid down and dumps with it. So we're cleaning all them up, cleaning up all the moulds, giving the engine bay a little tidy up as well. Once that's all nice and done, we've also clay barred it too, I forgot to mention that, because it had a bit of overspray. So maybe floating in the air somewhere landed on it, unfortunately. But we've sorted that out. Once we do that, then it's ready to coat. So we'll pre-clean it all, prep it all, check it under the lamps, check it out in the sun if the weather holds out for us, and then we're going to give it a single coat of our 9H ceramic, and we'll double coat the high surface areas. So yeah, nice and beautiful car, sits nice and low. Obviously. Now some people are under the assumption that only Lamborghinis came with doors that lifted up, but we got that right here. How cool is that? Nice, eh? Concept Garage has done a wonderful job with the interior. Once again, attention to detail is like no other. We haven't seen anything like this before. Danny always does a top job. Should we show him the boot, Phil?
Yeah, pop it open.
Look at that, even got a cup holder of the boot.
So what have we got here?
That's gorgeous. Yeah, this is a nice a lay down mattress. When you get tired you want to pull over and just have a little rest. No, just joking. So because this is a target top and the tops do come off, so Concept Garage just came up with the idea that what we'll do is we'll make some covers for them. So when you pull them off you can roll these covers out, put them in the covers, sit them in the boot so you're not going to scratch anything, wreck the interior. So excellent job there.
Maybe get the keys to show us the cup holder.
Oh yeah.
Let's have a look at that.
So yeah, I don't think these have cup holders in them normally, but we have got a cup holder because if you want to have a coffee, what are you going to do? Hold it in your lap? No. So we're going to have to tape this off and try to correct this. It's per spec, so sometimes they react good, sometimes they don't. But what can I say? Speed hump? No problem. do you reckon? Rough?
Dried up polish everywhere. That's from either the painters up there, top to back, or someone's attempted to polish it. So we've got to remove all this grime, so then the tyre milk sticks nice. Simple. Bit of multi-purpose. Quick wipe. Perfect. Then our tyre milk will stick nice. It won't look patchy, it won't look brown, and just overall nice clean finish. Do that. Day number 2. We have to go buy brushes for the Rupes polisher. The brush has just died. Car is 65% corrected. So Rob's just going to finish that side and the bonnet. I'm going to start coating. I've pre-cleaned and alcohol wiped everything that needs to be coated. We're not doing the wheels. Interior we gave a tidy up. And yeah, just going to start coating. Paintwork on this is really good. It wasn't done by Concept Garage, but it's been done in the past, and really easy to correct, really easy to rectify. Probably one of the best we've had in a while, so that's always a bonus. What else? Bodywork wasn't done by them either, so I think they've just done all little odds and ends. They put the airbag kit, they did all the interior, they've tidied up a few bits and pieces, and then obviously getting us to come in and do what we've got to do. But overall, it's tying up really nicely. Like Rob said earlier, you never see 300 ZXs on the road anymore, so to see one that's had some money put into it, wide body, stands out, you know, big 315 tires in the back, looks the goods. So I'm going to start coating this side of the vehicle in the top half while Rob finishes that side. Going to bring the tripod today, so it's going to be a little bit wonky, the video recording. So I'll take you on that journey.
So I thought I needed. So I thought I needed. Thought I needed. So I thought I needed. You make
we finished the 300Z, day 2. So yesterday we paint corrected it. We were supposed to finish it yesterday, but our buffer decided to cark it on us. Brushes went, so we had to repair that. But yeah, we finished correcting it this morning. We gave it a single coat. Everywhere bar high surface areas, we've 2 coated it, which brings up to 11H. Done all inside door jams, boot bonnet jams, all in the guard liners, exhaust tips, glass is all coated. So this thing is ready to go back to Concept Garage, so then they can deliver it to their client. So he should be happy, and we're happy with it. So good job.